Hey guys, so I'm going to tell you something. I told all my friends about this too. If anybody wants the Apple Watch Series 4, you can do what I did, and you can get it for really cheap. Brand new, straight from China, hot off the press. Um, and I also have a Bodyguard's screen protector for it. They never made them before for the Series 3 or 2 or 1, but for some reason they make them for the 4 now. So I'm going to put this on there as soon as I open it. So there's a program called John Hancock Vitality. It's a life insurance program, and you can pick the lowest life insurance plan possible, and you can get the watch for usually under $20 a month. You have to earn like vitality points, and you give them like your health data, but you can check into a gym, you can check like, stuff like that. If you work out, you earn 500 points a month, and then the watch is free, and then you just pay the life insurance payment every month. Like for myself, it's $13 a month. So as long as I earn 500 vitality points every month by going to the gym and staying active, I can essentially pay for my watch for free, and then I just pay $13 a month for the life insurance. And as you can see, I haven't even opened it or anything yet. I got it today, and it came all the way from Japan, or not Japan, Jesus, came from China. So let's open this bad boy up here. I waited a couple hours to do this, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. Alright, let's see. And I got the Nike Plus version, so hopefully, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Obviously, you guys probably have already watched a couple unboxings, but it's a black box instead of a white box, and this is the Series 4. I never purchased a Nike version one until now. This time I figured I'd go with the Nike version. I used to have the Series 3 cellular. I didn't get the cellular this time because, in my opinion, there's no reason for it because I always go everywhere with my phone. So here she is. Oh, that's upside down. Oops. Okay, so here she is. And then I don't know if you guys can really see that, and this is the 44 millimeter size. All right, where's Apple? Oh yeah. So there's a little handy pull tab right here. That's what I love about Apple. The unboxing shit. That's what I love. You guys can see how satisfying this is. Fucking Apple, leave it to them. Oh, it didn't work. What? All right, that was failed. All right. Usually when you unbox Apple things, whatever. All right. So, sorry for that cheap unboxing there. All right, let's go. Okay, so, all right, now here's where it gets interesting. If you haven't watched the unboxing video yet, they did something different this time. They got like these little tabs here. So let's do this here. Let's move the camera a little bit. All right. So how is this? Okay. Okay. All right. Trying to give you guys a better view here. All right. So, and then it like folds out like that. Okay, I want you guys to see this. Sorry, I'm recording this on my phone. My MacBook iMovie is trash, and I'm not a rich YouTuber, so I can't afford Final Cut Pro. So, but just so you guys can see what this looks like. So that's pretty cool. Unlike the Series 3 where, it was just kind of like a box. So, all right, I'm gonna put the phone back down. Okay, so you guys can see this. All right, here we go.